traders, what's happening today? I want to learn about how to use TradingView on your phones. First of all, you have to first download TradingView. Go to Play Store, then type in TradingView, then install. After installing, you have to open it. Then you start customizing TradingView. It's all about knowing how to use it on mobile phones. Then after, you'll be able to have a skill to use it on laptop. Let's first download it. It is installing right now. Let's first download it. Then after, we shall have to work on it by customizing everything that we need to be on our charts. It is all about getting to know what is needed to start trading. This TradingView helps you to do some analysis on forex, charts, and other markets like crypto and others like futures. Also, it includes all financial markets, let's say bonds, stocks, everything that you need to know about financial markets. TradingView has got you covered. Let's wait. It's loading right now. Then if you have already seen, you have to first create an account. Let's go with Google. Let's continue with Google account. Then we'll go to sign in. We have to create an account. We are going to use Google. Let's go with this one. Continue as this. You have to be having a Gmail account so as to be able to open up an account on TradingView. It is still loading. And after right now we have already logged in TradingView. You can see here is my name. This is the username. You can even change this username and use another one. And that's all. Let's continue and go to watch list. Our watch list, you have many. You have like indices, stocks, futures, forex. But for us, we want to see forex only. So it means you'll go here, remove, delete, then we shall leave there only those ones that we need. Remove. We will remain with our favorite pairs, which is let's say like USD, GBP, USD JPY. Then we'll remove others we don't need on our watch list. Let's remove also this one. Let's go to charts. You can see what you have on our charts. You have these, you have this, you have to, let's say we are going to have EURUSD on our charts. Then after we will go and customize, then start working, go on customization of our charts. We'll first go here on settings, then you tap in on settings, then you go settings, then you start removing all the unnecessary options. Let's say we need days of the week, day of the week on labels, then 24 hours format, then we go back symbols, body, candle. These are colors of the candlesticks on the charts. For down we need black, then up we need a green candle, then the borders put there like this color, also here this color, and also here this color, here this color. Then time, we need the New York time, which is UTC -4. Then we go back, we go on canvas, we remove this, we put to white, then watermark, no, we don't need that one. Then text, then go back, go scales, on scales don't need change on this one. Trading, we remove all these ones to make our charts look smart. Then events, we remove all of them to remove congestion on our charts. Then symbol, we already covered status line. All these we remove them only. Open, high, low and close values, we leave that one. Then titles, we remove values. Background, we leave that one. Then go back. I think now we are covered. You can see right now our favorite options are all there. Then we go back, let's put there this events, these are skills, then trading, then symbol, these skills have to put there the name of the pair we are trading, then the high and low, open and close values. We status line high, but then put there no title, then that's the change value, no by change values. This one will leave it. Then values, no indicators, don't have to put them there. Then we go, then we have to remove this one on the lower side, visibility, we don't need this one on our charts. You have to double tap on it to remove the volume. Now you can see we already have our charts as we customized them. You can also select your favorite time frames. You can long tap on a favorite time frame like this one, add favorite 15, add favorite, then 30 minutes, add favorite 1 hour, add favorite 4 hour, add favorite in 1 day, add favorite 1 week, add favorite 1 month, add favorite. Then you go back already. When you need your time frame, you can scroll here. You can see when you scroll like 1 day, already you will see your charts on one day. Yeah, that is it. Then for hour, you can see there is a change. There is a change in 1 hour already. You can see. Yeah. Then 30 minutes. I hope you are seeing that there is a change. Then when you want to add some tools to use during analysis, you can also tap on a trading tool. Then you select add favorite. Trend line already added. Then horizontal, add favorite. Horizontal line, add favorite. Vertical line, add favorite. Then arrow, add favorite. Then you can go down. There is fib, retracement, add favorite. Then path, add favorite. Brush, rectangle, yeah, text, add favorite. Then we're there, we're good to go. We're good to go. Others are unnecessary, they are not wanted. We do not need them in our analysis. Then you can go back and check if you can see you have our tools here customized. You can put them wherever you want. That's all. Yeah, when you want to add a tool, you can tap on it. Then after you press it where you want, then you can change the color, you can change pixels, its size. Yeah, you can see its size, you can change it here. Then you can also change its format, dashed or dotted. Yeah, that's all. If I don't know if I have left anything that you need to know about TradingView, but that's all I can tell you about forex trading. Other options here, I think they are not necessary. You can go here and go on your charts. Yeah, that's all, traders. Wish you good and happy trading. Be safe. See you. Thank you for watching.